Hello, myself Dr. Seema Saxena. Dear students, today I am going to tell you some basic concepts regarding the classification of animals on the basis of nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is a food and water intake by the organism for their growth and daily activity. According to the feeding habits, organism can be divided into two major groups, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs are those organisms which are able to grow and multiply in purely inorganic medium. Their greatest peculiarity is that they can synthesize their own amino acid, sugar, fat, etc. from inorganic substances such as carbon dioxide, ammonia, nitrate, etc. Such organisms include many bacteria and entire plant kingdom. Autotrophs are of two types, chemosynthetic autotrophs and photosynthetic autotrophs. Chemosynthetic autotrophs are those organisms which manufacture their protoplasmic requirement from inorganic substances such as carbon dioxide, ammonia, nitrate, etc. For example, cyanobacteria. While on the other hand, photosynthetic autotrophs are also in a position to synthesize their protoplasmic requirement from inorganic substances. Organisms that obtain their energy through photosynthesis are termed phototrophs. These organisms synthesizes their food material in the presence of sunlight by the process of photosynthesis. Now we come to the heterotrophs. These organisms cannot manufacture their own food. They have to depend on autotrophs for their food requirement. These are again of two types, that is mesotrophic and metatrophic. This classification is based on their amino acid requirement. Mesotrophic. These are the organisms that require at least one amino acid for their nitrogen requirement, while metatrophics are the organisms that require many amino acids in the form of compound and mixture. These are of three types, herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores are the organisms which feed chiefly on grass or other plants, for example cows, rabbits, deer, etc. Carnivores are the flesh-eating organisms which depend entirely on animal for their food requirement, for example lion, snakes, etc. While the omnivores are the organisms which may eat any sort of food from animal or vegetable sources, for example cockroaches, flies, etc. Now, we classify the animals on the basis of feeding pattern. Feeding pattern is of three types, microphagy, macrophagy and osmotrophy. Microphagy, this is a feeding pattern in which the animal feed on minute particles relative to their own size and is typical for aquatic life. Such animals feed continually by sieving particles from water drawn to them by ciliary action or by movement of appendages. All such animals have some sort of mechanoreceptors by virtue of which it is possible to reject inedible and harmful particles. Macrophagy is a feeding pattern in which animals feed on large pieces of food. All land animals are macrophagous. Osmotrophs, this is seen in certain parasitic forms such as helminthes and parasitic protozoans found in the of vertebrate. They take pre-digested food material from the host by diffusion through their body wall. Now we come to some basic terminology that are commonly used in nutrition. What is phagocytosis and pinacocytosis? Phagocytosis means cell eating, intake of solid food, and pinacocytosis is cell drinking, intake of liquid food. This generally seen in case of amoeba. Now, what is intracellular digestion? When digestion takes place inside the cell, for example protozoans and poriferans. Extracellular digestion, when digestion takes place inside the lumen of alimentary canal. Organism of phylum Platyhelminthes to Chordata comes into this category. Phylum Coelenterata is the only phylum in which organisms have intracellular as well as extracellular digestion. Thanks.